Meenaketan Patnaik is a Bhubaneswar-based Indian contemporary artist, more known as a professional figurative colorist, an art academician who also writes on art and aesthetics for art publications and cultural periodicals. His recent canvas speaks the mixed language of youth psychology with a link to contemporary social emotions. He adds drama in composition with a stagey atmosphere to create the visual melody. Rhythmic lines and employment of unsullied colors are two significant characteristics of his art practice. Sometimes we get influenced by the sweet voice and smiling personality of our so-called influential persons. They are not of those types whom we admire. Hypocrisy exposes once one notices the notorious attitude in private. So in this canvas, the artist portrayed Yugpurush with an invisible question mark to justify that so-called man of the era, who may not deserve this status that people bestowed on him. The canvas Three Flower Vases is a picture for nearly all males that they are not rude. They also have a quiet space in their heart like a cigar, which looks too harsh from outside, but it tolerates the heat to generate tobacco smoke for the smoker. So being a male is not a crime but of caring and shouldering responsibilities. This canvas is preserved at Shaurya Contemporary Gallery of Art, Mumbai. The canvas attraction is based on the point of view that your opposite sex will attract you if you are smart, intelligent, and good-looking. But is this your fault? Sometimes you may feel that you are as simple as a fragile lotus flower in a pond of the sky, surrounded by monsters in the form of hunter fishes. A canvas titled Navakalabara means the transformation into a new body. This spiritual painting is related to a special holistic event of Lord Jagannath's cult of a cultural city Puri, situated in Odisha, an eastern coastal state of India. The round-eyed god seems to be present in every form and space during the festival period. In the painting of modern Ramayana, the artist tried to connect the tremendous epic characters to present-day social media culture. His point of view is that the story and how the characters' appearance might be looking if the great saint and author Valmiki might have written the epic in the present time. Surrogacy may not be a good practice of hiring womb, but it helps the families who don't have any child of their own due to any biological issues. A surrogated mother feels the same feelings and pain that an average mother experiences. In this artwork, Meenaketan tried to show the emotions of a mother who agreed to become such a mother. This painting is preserved at Ila Panda Center for Art, Bhubaneswar. Situations that are not true but just imaginations are called fantasy. It is a mental image in response to psychological need and unrestricted by reality. It is like living in your magical world. A lady may imagine her partner's presence in and around her existence, which is a very romantic thought. Meenaketan depicted parrots out of a cage in the background of the female character that represents dreamy freedom. Pre-Monsoon Affair is a trendy canvas of the artist. It is about welcoming the rainy season like putting red carpet to receive the most awaited queen. The dragonflies dance in the sky to celebrate the monsoon's enthronement, the queen of all seasons. It makes the earth green and helps the farmer to grow healthy crops. Tathastu is a word of Sanskrit, an ancient Indian language, means may God bless you. This canvas is based on the season autumn. In this season, the weather begins to get colder, and many plants stop making food. Meenaketan's most recent painting is Protection. This acrylic on canvas is a painting with awareness messages to fight back the global pandemic period of COVID-19. Mask is a must. The jumping and climbing frogs painted on the canvas are the symbols of infectious disease. Let's try to eradicate this complexity from the humankind to make the world a better place to live. The artist always searches for attractive or striking issues of social emotions in and around him. For him, the process of creation is an exquisite pleasure. It has a connection with the conscious mind, subconscious mind as well as the unconscious mind. He believes in fresh colors and visual engagement of geometrical forms for better visual appealing.